Today we'll talk about should you raise funding, and if so, how much should you seek? Well, funding accelerates what you already have going in your business today. You should have a core process for acquiring customers and providing a service. If you don't have it, then funding at this stage will only hurt your business. It's best to continue testing your core business model till you know it works. It's important to find the best channel for acquiring customers and at the most efficient cost. By stating your core business in numbers, you now know what it costs to grow your business. So what's the best source of funding for your business? In addition to equity funding, you may consider debt financing, self-funding, or bootstrapping. Debt financing requires you to pay back the loan, but after you do so, you own the business outright. You could self-finance, which means you put your own money into it, or you could bootstrap it, which is another way of saying find a customer who will pay for your product or service. I call this customer funding. For this, you may need to offer additional services at a higher price to cover the startup costs, but it's a great way to grow your business as it keeps you focused on your product and customer. So if you decide to raise equity funding, how much should you raise? Well, raise enough so that it will take your business to the next level. Think about the position you need to achieve in order to raise the next round of funding. Your fundraise should take you there and set you up for the next raise. Your valuation in any startup is low at the beginning. Raising too much at a low valuation will end up giving away too much equity. For those with larger fundraisers, you may want to break it down into several milestone steps, in which case you can raise your valuation for each step as you achieve more revenue. Are you considering to launch a Series A fundraise? For startups not requiring FDA, you will need the following: a product with revenue preferably above $500,000 per year, a growth plan to reach $10 million annual revenue, a strong team with growth company experience, a credible funding plan to maintain growth with reasonable burn rates, updated financial pro forma showing growth plan and use of funds, and a pitch deck showing your growth plan. If you are aiming for a target valuation, you may have to raise a Seed Plus round of $500K to position the company with the proper KPIs and growth rates before pursuing the Series A.